Okay, so today our topic is order of operations. So let's do it. You know that whenever you are having more than one operation in the question, so you have to follow the order of operation, okay, and the order of operation we call it as BIDMAS, okay, BIDMAS. So B stands for brackets, I stands for indices, okay, or you can say that powers. D stands for division and M stands for multiplication. Okay, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So if you are having multiple operations in the questions, so you have to follow this order to solve that questions. Before moving forward to BIDMAS and telling you that how can you solve the questions with multiple operations, I wanted to tell you two most important rules which you need to remember. They are called left to right rules. You should keep in mind these rules, because when we are having left to right rules, you will apply left to right rules. It means that you will solve from left to right when you are having just addition or subtraction operation in the question. Okay, so when you are having just addition and subtraction operation in the question, you will solve the question from left to right. Okay, let me explain you how. For example, you are having 8 plus 4 or negative 3, or it could be 4 minus 8 or positive. It could be anything if you're just having two operations. Okay, so you can see that you will solve from left to right. You're not going to solve by using the BIDMAS. You're going to solve from left to right like this. Okay, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 minus 3 is 9. In the same way, when you're just having two operations in the question, either division or multiplication. Okay, so what you will do is, again you will solve from left to right. For example, if it is 3 multiplied by 9 and we can say that divided by 3, right? So again you will solve from left to right. 3 times 9 is 27 divided by 3, so your answer is 9. So remember that left to right rules are those rules that if you're just having in the question, if you're just having positive and negative, these two operations you will solve from left to right, or if you're just having division or multiplication, so you will solve from left to right. Otherwise, if you're having multiple operations together in the question, so you will follow the BIDMAS order, right? Okay, so now let me explain you a question that how you're going to apply the BIDMAS order. Alright, for example, let me explain you with examples. Suppose you are having a question 9 times 9 plus 7 plus 54 divided by 9. Now see which operations we are having. We are having brackets, right? We are having addition and we are having division. Now we have to follow this order. So according to BIDMAS order, first we have to solve the bracket, right? So this is our bracket. So we are going to highlight it because first we are going to solve the bracket. So 9 times 9 is 81. Now positive 7, positive. Now what is next operation? We have solved the bracket, right? So now we are done with this. So what is the next operation? It's division. So it means that now we will solve the division. So what is 54 times 9? Okay, Acha, we can do it in the next step. In this step, write it down it as it is. Why? Because in this step we have solved what? We solved the bracket. Okay, so in our next step we solve the division. Okay, according to the rule, now we have to solve the division. So 54 divided by 9 is 6. right? Acha, as I told you
Yeah.
that if you're just having plus minus or plus, or so you will solve from left to right. So 81 plus 7 is 88, plus 6 is
94.
94. So this is our answer. Okay. All right. Let's do one more question to make your understanding clear.
Okay.
All right. So suppose we are having, all right. Acha, remember GN, one more thing, that if in a bracket there are multiple operations, you will follow again the same BIDMAS order. Okay, you can have the multiple operations in the bracket as well, like this.
Okay.
Okay, so like this, 6, 28 divided by 7 plus 14 divided by 7 plus 8. So now in the, okay, first according to according to the BIDMAS order, which operations are there? Let's tick them. Okay, you can see that we are having, okay, we are having bracket. There is no sign between 6 and the bracket, so it means that the multiplication is happening. So the bracket is there, the multiplication is there, and addition is there. So first we have to solve the bracket, but in the bracket you can see that we are having division operations and we are also having addition. So according to this rule, if in a bracket there are multiple operations, you have to follow the same sequence. So first division comes and then addition comes. So first you will divide and then add. So let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, division is happening at two places, so we'll divide them at two places. It's 4. 28 divided by 7 is 4, and plus 14 divided by 7 is 2.
2. So
Okay,
6 times 2 is 12.
yes. So now two things are happening here, multiplication and addition. So definitely we're going to do multiply, and then we'll just simply add 44. So this is our answer.
Yeah.
So I hope that this concept is clear to you.
Yeah.